Hey, man, what's up with you, man? Why you look so confused?
Oh my God, man, listen, I park my car here, right?
Yeah.
And then I come over here, and then I read this whole thing here. It says I can park here today, but not today. I can park here tomorrow, but not tomorrow. And then I see it say garbage here. If I leave my car here, they're gonna throw in the garbage?
No, man. Come on,
What
man.
happened? Why so much that? Can I park here or can I not park here? That's what I want to know. That's it.
I don't know. You gotta check the Bible
The Bible? Why the Bible?
because it have all the answers.
For this?
Yeah, check Genesis
What do you-
1.5.
To parking here, and then you have the broom here. I have to clean this before I can park here.
I think
This is so tú, este país del diablo.
yeah, I think for you to
Mira,
park,
in my country I have the donkey. The donkey I live anywhere and I live, that's it. But over here I have to read the story over here.
yeah, if
the
you
whole
wanna,
book.
you gotta park and you gotta do the trash and you gotta sweep.
You know why I'm leaving. Thank you very much. Maldito país del diablo.
No problem, man.